Welcome everyone to HFN today, December the 16th, 2019, where we trade different. And also we are your trusted source of news according to the price chart, giving you a very accurate price forecast according to the price chart. This is your first time watching our video and you appreciate it. You see how easy it is, how we speak and our price chart. Definitely hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. You get more news about where we're seeing many of these stocks on where they're going. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well, because we might throw out some small tidbits of some notable market movement that we think you all should know. So you definitely want to follow us on each and every one of those platforms to make sure that you do not miss out on those. So now we are going to talk about whether or not if Lyft stock is a buy. It has been a very long time, a couple of months or so since we last did a video in Lyft, and now it's time for us to update you to see how the market has actually traded. So we haven't even adjusted this price forecast into the market in Lyft. The last time we did our video in Lyft was on July the 8th 2019, and we created this price forecast on a weekly perspective. So I want to zoom in a little bit quick. And we expected the market in Lyft to move to the downside right here on this weekly price bar. And as you can tell, the market in Lyft definitely has followed that same notion. Now, the next 2 weeks from when we did our video in Lyft could have gotten a lot of people confused and especially nervous about our forecast of Lyft moving to the downside. But nevertheless, the market still continued to follow. What we noticed was here, this was the first indication to distinguish that Lyft was a sell. So we had the market ultimately trying to find some support at that particular time around $56, would have been about 6.11% profit. But if you are still in that particular trade to this day, you would be up about 18, almost 19% in that forecast that we generated on the 8th of July. At the very bottom, it could have been about 38% profit into the market if you were shorted it. Okay, so this is what it is. This is just a culmination of how the market traded from our analysis, and now we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to talk about whether or not Lyft is a buy. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create this very simple to see ascending line. Okay, now this is going to be our gauge of market action to determine what the market needs to do in Lyft. Clearly, you can tell that we are seeing the market in Lyft in a uptrend. Very simple to see and easy to understand. That is not hard at all to comprehend. I will tell you that the market in Lyft is finding resistance here. So this is it right now. This is the game plan in the market in Lyft. It has to break $50 to the upside. That is where the resistance area lies currently in Lyft. The question is will the market in Lyft continue to see higher prices? And currently, based off what we're getting into the market in Lyft, yes, the market is expected to continue to see some higher prices. Now I'm going to create a forecast in the market of Lyft to see those higher prices. And granted, the market in Lyft has to stay above this ascending line in order to allow that forecast of higher prices to continue. All right. So this is it. We would definitely TP the market right there around $50. I would say $49.25 will be about 2.5% market move to the upside. But ultimately, this is where the resistance area lies in Lyft as of this particular moment. So just wanted to come in and give you all a very simple update in the market in Lyft. This is the overall trajectory according to the price bars on the weekly and the daily time frame. We are still indicating that the market in Lyft is poised to see some higher prices, but we are quickly approaching that $50 area of resistance. So keep that in mind as this particular stock continues to see higher prices. So this is it. Let us know your particular thoughts about Lyft. Do you think it's a buy? Do you think it's a sell? Let us know based on what you're noticing on your own particular price chart. But in the meantime, make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I'll see you on the next one.